checking stuff out. This morning connected up a battery and checking to make sure things work, and they do. That goes on. Let's see, let's try cabin lights here. There are some cabin lights. Where are they here? Yeah, they're on. Let's see. Cabin light works. And what else? Let's see if the instruments work. Radio works. Let's see if the depth sounder works. Okay. Depth sounder on. Yep, it's coming on. Depth sounder. At least depth sounder works by turning on. I'm not sure if it actually measures depth or not. Okay, let's check. Let's check the other cabin light up here. Turn that one off. Okay, we'll go through. Okay. Oh, look at the cabin lights. All the way across. Let's see if this cabin light works. Yep, it works. Okay. We'll turn that off. That way it goes off. And, okay. So, a bunch of the electrics seem to work so far.